Hey guys, it's Alicia. So today's video is an unboxing of the new FabFitFun Summer Box. It is in partnership with FabFitFun and I am super excited to see what's inside. So before we dive into opening up the box, I just wanted to run off a couple of cool facts about FabFitFun. The boxes are customizable and each one is valued at over $200 and you only have to pay $49.99 per season per box. They also partner with a new charitable organization every season. And this season, summer 2019, they are partnering with Global Gift Foundation USA as well as the Eva Longoria Foundation to help girls. So that is super awesome. They're also shipping to the UK now. So if you guys want to save $10 off your first box, then go ahead and type in the code Alicia10 at checkout. I'll have the information in the description box below. And without further ado, let's open up the box. So the very first thing in the box is the FabFitFun magazine. This magazine is super cool because it shows you what is going to be inside of your box. And I like that it has a little color code here so you get to see which products come in every box, which ones are the customizable ones, and which ones select members get. That's cool. The next things in the box are coupon codes. So the first one is for HelloFresh, how exciting, and the second one is for another FabFitFun box for a friend. So I'll be sure to pass this one on. All right, now on to the products. The first product I see are little hair ties from the Invisibobble company. I wonder how these work in curly hair. I'll definitely post to my Instagram story an update on these. Ooh, this one looks fun. This is an exfoliating foot mask from Wish. So I recently moved to LA and obviously it's warm most of the time here, so I've got my feet out a lot more than I did back in Chicago, so I am definitely going to be using this. The next thing I see is a refining micro polish. This is from Intelligent Nutrients. So this looks like it might be a physical exfoliant, which is really cool. My skin has been going crazy. It's a lot more dry in this heat, so I hope this works. The next two products are two that I am super excited to try out. They are the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Bum Bum Cream and Body Wash. I've heard a million YouTubers say that this Bum Bum Cream smells amazing, so I'm trying this out today. Next, we've got a brightening clay mask, and this one says that it's purple, so that'll be fun. I wonder if this is gonna help lighten up a couple of the dark spots that I have on my face. That would be cool. The next product is a Grace and Stella rose spray. So this will be really handy because I usually like to keep a rose spray like at my desk at work because it can get really stuffy in there and sometimes your skin just needs a light little mist or something. So I'm definitely taking this one to work. Next we've got from 111 Skin a rose gold brightening face mask. I wonder how many comes in this because this is like kind of weighted. I am loving all the different face products that's inside of this box. I am super excited to try all these out. Next we've got something that is part of the fit section, I guess. This one's from Burn 60 and they are resistance bands. I don't work out, but my husband does, so I'm sure he is gonna love these. And the last thing in the box is an Ico London liquid eyeliner. Ooh, I haven't done a wing liner in so long. I hope I still got it, but it'll be nice to have this so I can practice. Alright guys, so that is all the products inside of my summer 2019 FabFitFun box. Again, you can go ahead and use my code Alicia10 to get $10 off your first box. I hope you guys have an amazing start to your summer. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.